of about 20 species of long-necked large birds constituting the family Ciconiidae, order Ciconiiformes, related to the herons, flamingos, and ibises. Storks range from about 60 centimeters to more than 150 centimeters, 2 to 5 feet, in height. All or part of the head and upper neck may be bare of feathers and brightly colored. Storks are voiceless or nearly so, or lack of a fully developed syrinx, vocal organ, but some of them clatter their bills loudly when excited. They fly, alternately flapping, and soaring, with neck outstretched and legs trailing. Storks occur mainly in Africa, Asia, and Europe. One species, the black-necked stork, also occurs in Australia.